Is it time to buy or sell Trump Media and Technology Group stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Trump Media and Technology Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 23rd of July, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 21st of July, 2025, our system has ranked Trump Media and Technology Group as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.63. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, reflecting a gain of 1.77%. This results in an average return of 0.59% per day since it was classified as hold or accumulate. The stock is positioned at the upper part of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This situation typically represents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $19.75 would initially suggest a slower decline, potentially marking the first indication of a trend reversal. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible decrease of 31.53% over the next 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging between negative 48.05% and negative 30.96%. Examining the longer-term outlook, our 12-month analysis projects an expected change of negative 11.56%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 68.22% to positive 112.37% over the coming year. In practical terms, this would place the future price between $6.23 and $41.60. Our latest daily update for Trump Media and Technology Group includes the headline, Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock downgraded to hold accumulate. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price fell by 1.36% on the last day, which was Wednesday, the 23rd of July, 2025. From $19.86 to $19.59. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 5.93%, moving from a day low of $19.04 to a day high of $20.17. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days, but is still up by 2.94% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume decreased on the last day alongside the stock, which is actually a positive sign, as volume should generally follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 8 million shares, with a total of 9 million shares being bought and sold for approximately $173,098,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $54.68, while the lowest price was $11.75. Currently, the price is 64.17%, or $35.09. Below the 52-week high, and 75.32%, or $59.79, below the all-time high on March 26, 2024, when the price reached $79.38. Trump Media and Technology Group has recently made headlines as its stock, DJT, surged to a 6-week high, spurred by a burgeoning interest in cryptocurrency. The company has reported a massive accumulation of approximately $2 billion in Bitcoin and related assets, a move that positions it as a significant player in the crypto market. This strategic acquisition accounts for about 2/3 of the company's total liquid assets and signals a bold shift in its operational strategy. The rise in DJT's stock price illustrates how closely tied it has become to the performance of Bitcoin, with many investors now viewing Trump Media as a crypto-centric investment. These developments are particularly timely as Bitcoin approaches record highs, further enhancing investor sentiment. The company's announcement of a $300 million options acquisition strategy for Bitcoin-related securities reflects its commitment to leveraging this digital asset to bolster its financial position. In the short term, such activities could excite speculative trading, likely driving up DJT's stock price due to heightened investor interest. However, the long-term implications will depend heavily on the stability of the cryptocurrency market and the overall performance of Trump Media's diverse interests, including its social media platform, Truth Social, and potential expansions into artificial intelligence through new trademarks. As the market continues to evolve, Trump Media's navigational strategies in both crypto and digital content will be crucial in determining its sustained growth and stock value. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Trump Media and Technology Group stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the stock receives a strong sell rating from analysts. The following signals have been identified for Trump Media and Technology Group. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. However, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During any downward corrections, support is expected at the levels of $19.06 and $19.10. Should the stock drop below either of these levels, sell signals will be triggered. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Friday, June 27, 2025, and the stock has since increased by 12.59%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. There are also some negative signals present, which may impact short-term developments. Notably, volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, reducing overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence. Buy signal. Pivots. Buy signal from 18 days ago. Bollinger. Buy signal from 2 days ago. Short-term Moving Average. Buy signal from 7 days ago. Long-term Moving Average. Buy signal from 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages produced a buy signal 39 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 113 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages generated a buy signal 108 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. End. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Trump Media and Technology Group. Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation finds support from accumulated volume at $19.25. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. The stock typically experiences moderate movements throughout the day, and with a healthy trading volume, the associated risk is considered medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.13 between its highest and lowest points, which corresponds to 5.93%. In the past week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 5.65%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 8th of August, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Trump Media and Technology Group is at $21.33. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Trump Media and Technology Group encounters its first support level at $19.25. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Trump Media and Technology Group from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 10th of June, 2025, Eric Swider conducted an insider sale of 8,500 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.001 per share. On the 14th of May, 2025, Eric Swider conducted an insider sale of 3,000 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.001 per share. On the 14th of May, 2025, Philip Juhan conducted an insider sale of 7,567 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.001 per share. On the 14th of May, 2025, Philip Juhan conducted an insider sale of 416 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.001 per share. On the 14th of May, 2025, Philip Juhan conducted an insider sale of 36,774 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.001 per share. Based on the 69 most recent insider trades, our calculations indicate a positive insider power with a ratio of 19.256. In total, insiders purchased 226,177,920 shares and sold 115,945,948 shares in the last 69 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $18.61, reflecting a decline of 5%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 17 days ago. Is Trump Media and Technology Group stock a good buy? Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation holds several positive signals. However, we do not find these to be sufficient for a buy recommendation. At the current level, it should be considered a hold candidate, either to hold or accumulate while awaiting further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a buy to a hold candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 24th of July, we expect Trump Media and Technology Group to open higher by 1 cent and start trading at $19.60. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.